Councillors are the link between the community and the council. To be elected, they hold discussions and explain to local people why they should vote for them. Gwynedd Councillors represent 71 communities, from Aberdaron to Aberdyfi and from Barmouth to Bangor. Being a councillor is an important role. Councillors are responsible for representing their local community as well as citizens all over the county, along with their political party or group. Councillors receive a wage and travelling costs for their work. This sum is set by an independent national body. Gwynedd Councillors decide how the council should provide the range of different local services such as schools and school lunches, refuse collection and recycling, highway maintenance, public transport, child protection, leisure centres and libraries. The list is long and varied. The government is eager to help parents to become councillors, so support is available to pay for childcare if needed. As well as deciding how services should be run, councillors are also responsible for ensuring that the public purse gets the best value for money, at a time where the funding available is decreasing.
We explain the council's viewpoints and policies to our electors and also meetings in the community, and try to explain the reasons behind some of the council's decisions.
We read committee reports and attend meetings in order to discuss matters under consideration before agreeing on a way forward. It is also important that we question and challenge in order to ensure the best decisions are made for the people of Gwynedd.
We represent the people of Gwynedd on many external bodies.
Okay, gret. Diolch yn fawr i chi. Edrych ymlaen I glwad yn ôl. We contact officers to resolve problems on behalf of our electors. It's hard work, but it's worth helping the people of Gwynedd.
Thank you both for that. I think the most important word here is listening, and I think it is vital that we as councillors listen to what our electorates are telling us, whether they're individuals, organisations, local businesses, it doesn't matter what.
Nearly all of the council meetings are public, and anyone is welcome to come into the meetings to listen to the debates or follow us online.
Are you interested in becoming a councillor? For further information regarding Gwynedd Council and our councillors' work, go to www.gwynedd.llyw.cymru/be a councillor and fill in our questionnaire which explores how Gwynedd Council could help you to consider standing in a local election.